go. Here's a fun one. 2016 Alfa Romeo 4C. But not a lot of people know about this car or know what it is. So I'm excited to show you guys. This is a full carbon fiber chassis. Even down to like, that is entirely carbon fiber. So you'll see if I peel this off. This entire chassis sits on carbon fiber. I don't know if you guys can tell here, but there is no power steering in this car. Miles, 13,000 miles. It gives you that raw race car feel. It feels like a ready-to-go track car. So you have manual mode, automatic mode, reverse. These are your different drive modes. So you have dynamic, that's normal. A puts you in an all-weather mode. So maybe if it's a rainy day on the racetrack, you're going to put that right in A. But right now we have 75 degrees and it's perfect out, so we're going to do D mode. All carbon everywhere. Your tack, your headlights, the headlight housings for this car were carbon fiber, which is crazy. Little Supra. That is a proven fact. Speed buzzer. This one has it set for 125 miles an hour. So once you get 125, your Alfa Romeo is going to let you know that you're at 125 miles an hour. We're not going to be touching that. Very torquey. I really do think that people just don't know what it is, and so they want to just look at it. Like you find yourself just like, you keep looking to like assess what's going on. I will say, for anyone above like 6 feet is going to struggle in the car. I don't think I could road trip 3-4 hours in this car, me personally. I mean, I'm 6'2", 6'2.5", $180, and it's tough for me. There has to be compromise somewhere. Entire track car and not, dude, he is loving it. The smiles that you see is so funny, dude. I put a story out yesterday to hold myself accountable, and I said, YouTube video coming soon, stay tuned. So it's good to get back at it and see if I still got it or not.